your condition?
It's a sore throat and cough
How long you have it?
since last 3 days.
Last 3 days. Okay. How much feeling that you can feel right here? From 1 to 10, 10 is the worst.
Around 6, 7.
6 to 7, both sides or one side more than the other?
Not both sides.
Both sides the same? Okay. And then up to here or here?
This is.
This is it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Remember how much feeling you have, okay?
Okay.
All right. Relax, relax. Just put your arm like that. There you go. This is good. This is really good. Relax. Let it go. Relax. There you go. Okay, swallow. See how you feel. Swallow.
Better.
Better? All right, one more, okay? Swallow, please. How you feel? Swallow.
Better.
How much better? It was a 6 now. It's still
Like
feeling
2 also.
2? Okay. If I have a chewing gum, I will give it to you so you can try and then swallow. That's why, you know, it's like they call it 动气疗法. Okay, and means that you have to move around so your body will understand where is the issue, so that your body will repair the place, the location. So that's why I always ask you after you put in the needles, make sure you move them a little bit. I think the water is too cold for him right now, so
I have like a Mento. You want them?
I don't like the sugar either, because sometimes the menthol, the oil, sometimes stimulates here will get more coughing out of it.
Okay.
So that's why I always recommend my patient, try not to get those menthols or something for the throat in the market, because they want it to be so tasteful. So they put too much of those oils, like essential oils in there, so make it worse. So I would rather just right now just swallow a little bit.
Much better.
How much better now? Almost gone?
Yeah, almost gone.
Almost gone.
Yep.
Alrighty. Perfect.
But little bit of cough type sensation.
Little cough sensation. Where is it?
In the
Up
throat,
or
in the-
down?
in the throat.
So right here? Or here? So where is the tickle? So on top or yeah, you can point it to me.
Yeah.
Right there. Okay. I'm going to use the scalp to do it because that will be helpful. And we're going to do that real quickly later, okay? Okay. Feel it. Are you still feel like you're going to cough? How's your throat feeling?
Much better.
Much better again?
Yeah.
All right. Very good. Very, very good.
Yep.
Great.